Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to start. First, make sure your iPhone is updated and you know where the home indicator lives. Open Settings if you need assistive touch and enable it under Accessibility right arrow touch, which gives you a tappable nav option. Now, practice the primary gestures. Swipe up from the home indicator to go home, swipe up and pause to open the app switcher. Swipe from either edge to go back in many apps. These first actions let you replace a physical button immediately. Once you've mastered the basics, connect those moves into workflows. To move between apps quickly, swipe right on the home indicator or open the app switcher with swipe up and pause, then tap the app you want. For quick settings, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Make sure it's customized in Settings. When one-handed use is needed, swipe down on the bottom edge to invoke reachability so the nav area and controls sit lower and are easier to reach. To finish, personalize the nav experience. Assign actions like Home, App Switcher, or custom shortcuts via assistive touch or back tap in Accessibility so navigation matches your habits. If gestures feel laggy, force quit the misbehaving app from the App Switcher, then test gestures again. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and, if necessary, reset gesture settings in Accessibility. This rarely erases data. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.